He is busy. This is who he is. When he is holding his phone, he can't. There's no talking to me. Me, I edit. I watch a movie.
She's lying.
I
She's
play,
playing her game.
and I can still talk to
playing
him.
a game. Good morning, Philippines.
Did you kill your music? Whatever. Don't do
I
it.
killed the Bluetooth.
You did.
I did kill my Bluetooth. So,
So
what
why-
you're hearing is your music.
Yeah. So why?
I don't know why.
It's not connected.
Well, I don't know. Did you connect it?
Yeah. How can I save that thing? It doesn't matter.
It'll save. You'll just go into your. What do you want to do?
No. Let's go.
You gotta stop to connect, hon. You gotta put it in park to connect. You know, easiest way: shut the car off, start the car back up. Shut the car off and start the car back up.
Now we're losing the address.
You won't lose the address; it stays in there.
Good morning, everything. This is our life. Because look,
Anything that requires an inch of effort, you don't want to do it.
look, because I look at the time.
Oh, look, it's there. Amazing.
It's still your phone is connected.
My phone is not connected.
Hun, it's a music. You don't know what music I'm going to listen.
I don't care what music.
Oh shit, that's...
After 600 feet, bear left, onto Count.
Hello mga ka-everything dyan. Ngayong araw is punta tayo sa
Bear left.
doctor appointment ni baby Tommy Moy. So, yun yung gawin natin. Do you have your mask?
I do.
Tommy is very moody. I don't like it.
Because you like
Stop.
simple little stuff.
Stop.
You're getting aggravated
Stop.
because your phone's
You
not connected, but you
stop.
don't want to put the effort into connecting
Stop.
it. Seriously?
Stop. 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 Stop.
Are you recording?
Stop.
You're stuck. You're stuck recording. You keep reverting.
Yung appointment pala niya is, what time is your appointment?
9:30.
9:30. And the drive over there to the
45
place,
minutes.
45.
Right. Should put us there at 9 o'clock. If we hit a little traffic, so we should be fine.
You know, last night guys, we don't sleep really good, especially Tommy, because it was stormy. My storm, Roxy is freaking out. Malakas yung storm. It's really hard storm, right? Thunder and lightning.
Yeah, I just let her come up and she'd curl up. We press really hard against me. And I was practically half off the bed.
Takot na takot talaga si Roxy guys sa storm.
Prepare to turn sharp left, in half a mile.
I-repark ko lang itong sasakyan kasi mainit guys, mainit.
Seriously?
It's hot. The sun is against, it's like towards our face, and my camera is burning.
Oh.
So I'm worried about you guys. You might get tan. Okay? Okay. And he is busy na, Valentina. Valentina, si Tino. Finish your cigarito. Good thing guys, I remember this place. Tommy doesn't remember anything because the GPS doesn't tell you to turn this and go up there. Right? Did you notice that?
Maybe the first time we get here, the second time.
I remember, but if you're driving, you probably won't know. He is busy. This is who he is. When he is holding his phone, he can't. There's no talking to me. Me, I edit.
Excuse me?
I watch a movie.
She's lying.
I
She's
play,
playing her game.
and
You
I can
can't-
still talk to
Playing a
him.
game, she can't pay attention to anything.
I can
And
talk.
she's always playing a game.
You can see the mountain. Right now, I won't show you because there's a building, there's a car, but I can see the mountain here. Masok na siya kasi yung yung appointment niya is 9:30. Ay, andun pala nanigarilyo pa. Kalukam ito kasawa ko eh. Okay, so what the doctor says?
He said, whatever you're doing, keep doing it.
Turn
Huh?
left.
He said, whatever you're doing, keep doing it.
Like, what did you tell him? What do you guys talk about?
Well, you know, he asked me where I'm at, and still having pain, still using the TENS unit.
You're not using the TENS
unit. I speak to the guy in, you know, I saw the guy, the doctor he sent me to, who now resigned.
Okay.
Calculation.
So he said, if you feel the pain, use the TENS unit, stuff like that.
Well, he said,
And did you tell him about? Is he involved? Did you tell him about what you're taking now?
Yeah,
About the kidney thing, you told him?
I told him to take the natural.
And
He don't know.
he doesn't know.
No. But you know, I told him about my finger. He said, "Well, it doesn't look good." He said, "How long has it been like that?" I said, "About a week." He said, "That's a long time for the swelling to still be like that."
It's still swollen. Let me see.
Yeah.
Oh my God, hon. Maybe you have tetanus, hon.
He says, "Well, you wouldn't have tetanus. Tetanus is a different thing."
Yeah, but you're digging stuff.
I know you have to break the skin to get tetanus on.
No, you don't know if there is something in it. Get in there
You know, you put
to hold in.
something to hold it straight so you can't move it.
Hi, monkey. Hi, monkey. Nagkurug-kurug mo, Twisty. Ay, kurug-kurug mo ng baby ni Mom. Nakakatawa yung Roxy. Come. Come here. Hello. Hello, baby. What is he? Huggy with Dada. Dada. I just let him out. It's already 12:30. Hungry damn. Kain lang kami. Kakain lang ako ng lunch kasi it's already 12:30 na. Han, I'm going to have pork. I give them dry food. Huh? What did I didn't listen? Fine, Han. Dimples is starving, giving me a big eyes. Hubs. Hey, do you want me to fry the lamb? No, that's bad. Finish this pork together. That's bad salad, I'm telling you. He's going to New Rochelle today, later, because he says he's going to pack something. Is that really what it is? Is that really what it is? You love to be alone, huh? And it's bad. Please, it's slimy already. I can see. Oh, I can see, please. So, because tomorrow he's going to Queens. Is it the same place or the same different place?
Different place. I've been there. I don't know.
Do you know the address? I'm gonna do it like that because my husband is getting naked. So, aalis na si Tamimoy. Alis siya, guys. Iwan, sabi ko, huwag ka nang aalis. Bukas na lang ng umaga. Gusto niya ngayon daw. Oh, let's see if he can find some stuff to bring to the car. Let's see if you can do a thing in the car.
What?
You said you're gonna leave today. Now, let's see if you can have something to bring tomorrow. Or else he's not planning to come home with me tomorrow. This is sad. Really, really sad day of my life. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Anyway, guys. So, yun. He's a laundry boy detergent. Leave it there. Okay, maybe you can put this too. Ito yung mga lalaki, guys. O, tignan nyo. Ganito yung mga lalaki. Ay, iwan ko. Yung asawa ko. Yan. Kahit anik saan-saan na mapunta tong mga medyas niya. Did you lock this properly?
Yes.
It will be...
Are you going to remember to take yours?
Yeah.
Yeah? How many times take it today?
Nothing yet.
How many times are you supposed to take it?
Every night only, Han.
How
I
many times
cannot
are you supposed to
overdose
take it?
myself.
Not overdose. How many times are you supposed to take it?
3. You told
Thank
me. Look at that, guys. He always like... Why you always worried about...
Because you're supposed to be taking it.
He's worried about me. For what? I'm so healthy, Han.
Hey, Roxy. Hi, sweetie. Hi, sweetie. You be a good girl. Hi, monkey. You be good girls too.
Your son is upstairs.
Hi, baby.
Your son is upstairs, so.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna put my lighter up, I guess. MaryAnn. Talk to you later.
Oh my god, you're so wet.
Good, yeah, I'm sweaty already. Good luck with Roxy if it's
I know, my god. I love you, honey.
Love you too.
I love you, love. I miss you already, you know. Even though
I'm ready to take these two bugs off of this windowsill.
I'm looking at you right now, but I miss you, baby. You're so guapo, even the sideways, hon. Even the sideways, you can tell that how good looking you are. Yes, guys, I'm so proud. Yes, I keep saying it because I know he is. And some people doesn't think so, but I really do. And some people over there like, no, people say that you're good looking, but I really do believe you are. So, look at me.
I disagree.
Yes, guapo. Eat something to eat, okay? You're sweetie, Hanoi. Turn your AC. Open the garage. Wala na yung asawa natin. Umalis na. Umalis na siya. Almost 4 o'clock na. Ang aga umalis, no? Who eat din? You guys eat your din? You did? Hi guys. Ito guys, ito yung hinarvest ko the other day na inano ko lang siya, ipakuluan and then lutuin and then ididip ko na lang siya sa bagoong na may tomato, yung niluto ko na hindi man kasi natapos. Yun. May lamb dito hindi dinala ni Tami yung pagkain. So, tinawagan niya ako at 6 o'clock na ng gabi pero hindi pa siya gabi. Si Tami, palagi niyang nag-crave ng Taco Bell. Gustong-gusto talaga niya ng Taco Bell. So, ngayon, nag-crave siya. Bumili daw siya, yun daw ang dinner niya. Hello guys, this is it guys. Look, ito yung gulay. Ito yung sausawa natin, tomato, saka and ito yung lamb natin po. And iniinit ko lang yung rice. Sarap ng gulay na ganito. Kailangan ko ng maraming ganito. Sila. Kailangan kong mag-add para dito. Kasi wala kasi dapat meron dito ba? Wala ito ba't? Nabigatan na. Ayun. Kailangan ko pala magtapon ng basura. It's 8 o'clock na ng gabi. Ilagay ko lang doon sa kalsada. Do you know what, guys? Nanonood ako ng movie, The Mummy. Pero ngayon, ang sumunod naman, nagustuhan ko, pero ang sumunod, Truth or Dare, natatakot ako. So sabi ko, i-choose nga natin yan. Tingnan nyo. Pati si Habs takot. Look. Anyway guys, I'm going to end the vlog. Pasensya na, meron tayong calamine. Meron tayo dito kasi Makati. So, yun. Anyway, guys, I'm going to end the vlog. Ito na yung takot. Sunod ng sunod sa akin. Tawagan ko lang si Tami. And I will see you later. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. See you bukas. Okay? See you bukas.